today industry is suffering from power cuts. And power cuts have been going on for the last 16 months from September 2011 onwards. All of you are aware the power cuts have been going on varying from 40% to 60%. Today, availability of power is only 39% or 35% of the units required by an industry, which means no industry can really manufacture its production and take up its production, its full capacity. So what is it? It is happening by reduced capacity. The cost of production of every industrial units has gone up. The fixed costs have to be borne by 100% of industrial production or 35% of the production. So the moment 35% of the production has to bear the 100% of the fixed cost component goes up by 3 times, which means the cost of production increases. This is one part of the adverse effect on account of power cuts. The daily wages people are also reduced. This is overall impact on the economy. A very special case of steel industry is being discussed today. The steel industry, for that power is a raw material like. 40% of the cost of production is constituted by the power cost. Entire industry, in fact, a steel industry being a core industry, it has a multiplier effect. Multiplies as many as 6 times. That means if it is losing 1 lakh crores, 1 lakh employment, it will have another impact in the economy by 6 lakhs employment is lost. If it is producing, let us say about 20,000 both put together, ferroalloys and steel industry put together, about 20,000 crores worth of produce, it will have about 1,20,000 crores effect on the downstream industry. Come down and gradually there will be a more and more decline in the economic activity, which is not good. Therefore, in the larger industry, interest of growth of economy or sustenance of economy, the government must review their FSA policy, and the payment of FSA, even if it is right or wrong, it should not be immediately insisted upon.